Imagine a world where robots, AI, and digital disruption competes for our attention every day. To stay ahead, we'll need to be more human than ever. To thrive in the 21st century, we help you develop the most sought-after competencies. Most schools focus on the acquisition of knowledge. You should know specific facts about traditional disciplines like maths, science, history, English. How and what you learn is generally decided upon by others before you even arrive. Instead of memorization and regurgitation of facts about traditional disciplines, we help you develop the skills and understanding about the topics that most interest you. Applied learning means taking notions such as numeracy and using them in a particular learning context to complete a set task, such as using principles of geometry in carpentry and woodwork, or exploring engineering while building electrical circuits. Or what about first learning to budget through doing a cooking workshop? It takes a village to raise a child, and with that in mind, our learners spend time interacting with, serving, and learning from our community, often outside of Learnlife Barcelona. We aspire to make learning hands-on, interactive, and memorable. Learning connects to its real-life application, or, as much as possible, occurs in its real-life context. If you want to learn engineering, let's build a bridge. If you want to learn about journalism, let's create a newspaper. At Learnlife, we help you discover your why. In other words, what drives you, gets you out of bed in the morning, and explains why you are doing what you are doing. Learning how to learn is possibly the most valuable skill in a changing world. We help you understand how you learn best, what blocks your learning, and how you can be an independent, lifelong learner. We focus on the process and what we've learned, not simply on completing a task. In the learning process, it's important to ask yourself how what you learned is useful, what you've learned about yourself, and what you want to do next. In the toolkit for every learner, enabling them to create high-quality, highly usable outputs is design thinking. In this process, learners deeply understand their end user. They brainstorm, prototype, test, iterate, and start again until they and their users are happy with what they've created. Learners have bodies and feelings, social lives and cultural backgrounds, and much more. This is why we focus on the growth of the whole learner. When extra support is needed, we make sure that structures are in place to support all learners' success. At the core of what we do are positive relationships. Neuroscience has proven the power of the positive relationship. It helps us learn and feel better. This is why we take time now to know, trust, and support each other. One of our core values at Learnlife, part of every learning journey, is discovery. Discovery of people, topics, places, and experiences, so that you can find your purpose and grow your understanding of the world. Like all good adventures, this will require you to step out of your comfort zone, to try new things, test your limits, and better understand yourself. We grow through adventure.